Imagine if you had invested in Nvidia 5 years ago. Do you know how much you could have made? A lot. In fact, Nvidia's stock has been on fire, outperforming the market by a massive margin. But here's the big question for you. Should you still invest in Nvidia stock in 2025? Or is the train already too far down the tracks? Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have the knowledge to decide if Nvidia is your golden ticket to wealth, or if it's better to steer clear. So, should you buy, hold, or sell Nvidia? Let's find out. To understand if investing in Nvidia in 2025 is wise, we first need to take a look at its past and present. Nvidia's rise to dominance started with its flagship product, the GPU, Graphics Processing Unit. You've probably seen Nvidia's name on your gaming PC or laptop. But what you might not know is that Nvidia's business extends way beyond gaming. We're talking about AI, data centers, and autonomous driving, sectors that are growing at an exponential rate. Nvidia's current stock price may seem intimidating, but consider this. It's not just a graphics company anymore. It's a tech titan driving innovation in AI. Just last year, Nvidia was valued at over $1 trillion, and now it's the leader in AI-powered chips, a critical component in everything from self-driving cars to cutting-edge medical research. Let's talk about numbers. Nvidia's stock price has skyrocketed by over 1,000% in the past decade. That's a tenfold return on your investment if you had the foresight to buy in 2015. And guess what? The demand for Nvidia's products isn't slowing down. If you're betting on the future, betting on Nvidia feels like a safe bet. But is the past a true indicator of what's ahead? Stay tuned, because there's a twist coming. Quick question. How many of you have actually used an Nvidia GPU? Drop a comment below and let me know. No judgment if you're still rocking an Intel, I won't tell anyone. But the stock market is a fickle beast, right? Just because it's been a hot investment doesn't mean it will keep going up. Let's dive into what's next for Nvidia and how 2025 could play out. Now, let's talk about the future. 2025, to be specific. Will Nvidia keep riding the wave of growth, or could it hit a wall? Opportunity 1. The AI explosion. First, we've got AI. Nvidia isn't just riding the AI wave, they're driving it. They're the go-to provider of GPUs for AI computing, and with companies pouring billions into AI development, Nvidia stands to rake in even more cash. In fact, experts believe Nvidia could capture up to 80% of the global AI chip market by 2025. That's a huge upside for Nvidia stock. But here's the catch. Competition. Every major tech company is eyeing the AI space, and Nvidia's rivals, like AMD and Intel, are hot on their heels. If Nvidia stumbles or the competition ramps up, that stock price could fall faster than a gamer's frame rate during a heated match. Opportunity 2. Autonomous vehicles. Next up, autonomous driving. Think about it. Self-driving cars are not just a dream anymore. Companies like Tesla, Waymo, and others are investing heavily in autonomous vehicle tech. Nvidia's chips power some of the most advanced self-driving platforms out there. And this could be a multi-billion-dollar opportunity. But again, this is a rapidly evolving market. Now, let's hit you with some real talk. Nvidia's success depends on its ability to adapt faster than anyone else. There are a lot of unknowns in the world of AI and self-driving cars. The risk here is high, but if Nvidia nails it, sky's the limit. But let's be honest, this all sounds like a lot of potential, right? But what could go wrong? And is it enough to justify a hefty price tag for Nvidia stock? As we approach 2025, here's where things get real. Risk 1. Market volatility. The stock market is unpredictable, especially when it comes to tech stocks. We've seen it before. One bad quarter, one failed product, and the stock can drop like a lead balloon. Don't think that just because Nvidia is dominant today means it's invincible. Tech stocks are volatile, and Nvidia is no exception. Remember 2022? Nvidia's stock price took a nosedive, and a lot of investors panicked. While they've since bounced back, this reminds us that no stock, no matter how great, is immune to a market correction. Risk 2. The valuation. Let's talk about valuation. Is Nvidia stock overvalued right now? Some analysts say yes. If Nvidia's growth doesn't meet expectations, the stock could experience a significant correction. In fact, some believe we might already be in a bubble. So, you'll need to ask yourself, are you willing to take on that risk? Opportunity plus risk. It's not all doom and gloom, though. If you buy Nvidia with a long-term mindset, say 3 to 5 years, you could still see tremendous returns. But you'll need to stomach the ups and downs. If you're looking for a get-rich-quick strategy, Nvidia might not be the right pick. So, is it wise to invest in Nvidia by 2025? Well, it's all about balancing risk with reward. Are you ready to take the plunge? Or will you sit on the sidelines and watch as others potentially cash in? But here's the kicker. There's another company that might just beat Nvidia to the punch in the AI race. Want to know who it is? Click the next video and find out. You'll be shocked by what we uncover. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a single strategy that could change your financial future. And remember, always invest wisely.